is it going? Today we have a new video, right? And this is something I've been wanting to do for a long time, to be honest. This car, it's an exhaust mode. This car is loud, but I want it to be louder, like really louder. I don't know. But this is the video that we do that. I'm gonna install the headers in this video. I bought the headers a while ago, about 3 weeks now, and we haven't installed it. Finally today we get to install the headers, and there are other mods coming again, exhaust mods, engine tone probably, but this car is slowly coming along, one thing after the other, and that's the fun part. That's the fun about this car. It's not like it's a fully built car, or like, you know, one car that you just do 1 or 2 months and that's it. It's a car that you continuously keep minding it and you keep enjoying it as you go on. The most important thing is the reliability. This car is really reliable. Every day I start it, I just go anywhere I want to. So
yeah. Don't put this shit, okay? Yo, look what he gave him, right? This is what he took, right? Remember? Because he will lose it.
Oh, he be losing too, bro.
102 is out? Yep.
Go right a little bit. Closer this way, to the front.
Oh,
the car.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's one there. Keep
like
going. No, that's fine, that's fine. That one's fine. We'll get it out. That one. No.
the bottom.
Is it that one? No one even touched the bottom one. I think that one's stripped.
This one?
Actually, no.
Wait, how many bolts are there? 24 actually? 24.
You got
4, 4, 4, 12, 24.
Why the fuck would they put 24 bolts on here? Okay, it's literally 10 p.m. I mean, yeah, 10 p.m. We've done as much as we can. Those headers are still on. The headers are still on, so I'm just gonna go home with my friends. I'm gonna go home, and tomorrow I'll try to finish everything. Okay, so this is day 2, right? I've taken this one out after like 2 hours, just this one. But the good thing is, like, there's only 3 bolts left, and I have loosened all of them. Like, all the 3 that are in there are loose. It's just to take them out. But like, let me see if I can show you this. So you see that one? The bolts that connect the exhaust to the manifold, they are rusted. I can't take them out. Like, I can't take out those bolts. They just have to get cut. So tomorrow we'll get them cut, and yeah, we'll put in the headers. There's only a few more bolts left, 1, and there's some at the back which you can't really see, but I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna lift the car and drop it down. So all of this is loose now. This and this, they're both loose now. So now it's just to take them off from underneath. But before I'm able to take them out, I have to get this loose. I've taken out a few bolts from there, but there's like 6 more bolts, so I'm gonna try and take them out now. Okay, now we're in business. Finally, look at this. It's definitely gonna be better. Like, the stainless steel and the wheels. The wheels are really good on this, so we are good. But look at this. The cat on this, it's so fucking huge. Well, let's try and put them back on now. After about 2 to 3 hours, that one is in. Now we're gonna fix this one in. But before then, to be honest, I'm so hungry. I haven't had proper. I can't remember the last time I had proper food, to be honest. I'm just gonna stop right here. It's about 4. I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna try and finish everything. Okay, so I just came back to try and finish everything. Got the rest of the bolts that I need to finish, and I just came back to this another package. And I think this is the cool air intake. We'll check it on later after I'm done with this. Maybe we'll just install it today too. Okay, so these O2 sensors are not coming up. We might just have to cut them, get some new O2 sensors, and just reuse these wires. And everything here is done. I put all of that in there. However, if you come down here, these are the places that the O2 sensors are supposed to go. This is another one on top of this. That these headers, these headers, some things like I don't know. We just have to find some way to modify them to fit the O2 sensors. Either way, I'm gonna delete them. But there is one up here where my hand is. Let me see if I can get that. Right there where my hand is. Yeah, right here. It wouldn't fit. I had to take the bolt that was there. I had to take it off. It wouldn't fit there, so we have a hole right there, an O2 sensor hole right there. But like, this is where we're gonna end this. It's already dark. Everything up here is how it's supposed to be. We're just gonna start the car, see how it sounds. We are gonna have a leak though. That's a must. We're gonna have a leak right there. That is a must, and as you can see, you can tell that I have really worked on my car. Anyways, I'm just gonna start the car, and maybe that will be the end of this video. So we have a leak. We have a leak at the place that I showed you with the O2 sensors, but listen to this. Bro, let's fix that leak. So it's another day. I'm trying to fix the leak. I actually think I did. You see, I covered up the holes. I don't know if you can see it. It's very hard. Yeah, those holes right there. I covered it up with those bolts. I covered the holes with the bolts. So I'm just gonna put this back in now, and we're gonna see if there's no more leak.